Hey, it's Michael LaFido from the Luxury Listing Specialist Certification and author of the book, Luxury Listing Specialist. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to be more productive. As a real estate agent, a team leader, a broker owner, being more productive is essential to get more out of your day so you can help people and sell more properties. But before we do that, two quick announcements. First off, you're going to see a couple pictures from our recent certification trainings. For more information, you can reply to this email. You can go to luxurylistingspecialist.com. But we did two recent trainings, one in Boston, had over 40 agents there, and another one in Ontario where we had 80 agents in the room for a full day intensive certification. Again, if you want more information on live trainings or virtual trainings, feel free to email me, michael@marketingluxurygroup.com. So let's talk about being more productive. That's the topic of this video. So first off, production. How do you be more productive? Number one, you need to really plan your day. So the night before, you want to plan what you really are going to be focusing on. You have to prioritize, and planning your day is really important. You want to block off time for you to focus on what you need to do, for callback times. So blocking off your schedule is really important. But the real focus of this video is we're going to be talking about we call it MOLO, M-O-L-O, MOLO. What can you do more of and what can you do less of to be more productive? And the first thing I want to talk to you about that you need to do less of is your smartphone. You need to put your smartphone down. You got to put it on mute. Do you realize, based on a recent study, that the average smartphone user unlocks their phone 150 times a day? 150 times a day. And so many times people are unlocking it, yes, to check text to see if someone reached out to them, but that takes away from your focus. Do you realize it only takes 2.2 seconds to unlock your smartphone, but if you're in the middle of doing something very productive and you're very focused, it takes about 11 minutes to get that laser focus that you had before you were distracted. So turning off your phone, putting it on mute is really important, and many times putting your phone out of sight, out of mind, so you're not even tempted to use it. So today's topic is about being more productive, and the smartphone, unfortunately, is the killer of your time. I like to call that they're a vampire of your time. The smartphone is a vampire of your time. I was recently at a Keller Williams Luxury Conference, and Amy Blankston talked about the future of happiness, and she talked about the smartphone and how it's a killer of our time. And a couple statistics I want to share with you. First off, do you realize that 77% of parents think their kids are addicted to their smartphone? 77% of parents. And so that's over 3/4 of parents think their kids have a difficult time with their smartphone. But as bad as that is, 41% of kids think their parents have an addiction and a problem with their smartphone. So again, overwhelmingly, parents think their kids use the phone too much and their smartphone and checking their messages, and kids think their parents are. Here's another interesting statistic. 54% of people surveyed think it's okay to check their smartphone during dinner. 54% think it's okay. 57% thinks it's okay to check it in the bathroom. So make sure you clean your hands and wash your hands afterwards. But this one's kind of funny, and I don't know how they came up with this statistic, but 33% of people polled think it's okay to check their phone during sex. Don't ask me. I'm not sure how they came up with that, but 33%. So you need to reclaim your focus. That's the goal of this video. You need to reclaim your focus. And so if there's a distraction of your time, if it's a smartphone, if you're a team leader or broker owner, many times I had one person tell me they put a sign on their door that says, "Stop, think about it, and go away." So in other words, before you just go and ask somebody, stop, think about what you're going to ask them, go away, because you could probably figure it out. And many times broker owners or team leaders are more productive when they close their door, because people aren't just knocking on their door for things that they could get answered on their own. So again, be more productive, reclaim your focus, put the smartphone down, and again, we're looking forward to any topics that you want to suggest to us. Go ahead and email michael@marketingluxurygroup.com, michael@marketingluxurygroup.com, and don't forget to text the word LUXE, L-U-X-E, to 72000 if you want more information on our 56-point video checklist and some other freebies. My name is Michael LaFido, and remember to prove them wrong, and it's not the market, it's the marketing. Take care.